Hello.
Hiya.
This is Cairo. Cairo, what are we playing with today?
My fast monster truck.
Your fast monster truck. Let me see. What kind of monster truck is this?
My fast monster
It's the
truck.
Trail Buster.
Buster. Yeah. You got it.
Really? It's funny, huh? Okay. Really cool. It's really lightweight, so I love that. And it's a really pretty day. See how pretty it is?
Yeah.
It's a pretty day.
Bright.
Yeah, the sun's bright. It's a pretty day. Okay, let's put this baby to the test. What are you gonna do? You're gonna race it up there? Wait, we're not trying to run over people, so let's wait until it's clear, okay? Okay, we're gonna wait till it's clear.
Yeah, they're all the way behind.
Okay, you're gonna wait.
Now I have to wait all over.
Oh yeah. Yeah, we're gonna wait. What are you doing? You're so silly. Seriously. Elias, your brother's silly, huh? He's silly poo-poo head.
Oh, now it's some party.
Brother's silly. Now go. Go! Oh my God!
Oh my God, this thing is fast! Wipe out! Whoa, this sucker's fast.
Man, this thing is so fast.
I'm done deep. I'm lucky.
One, two, three, go! Whoa! Okay, Cairo, we're gonna have to revoke your license. You're a crazy driver. You're a crazy driver. Okay, so what do you think about this thing? This thing is powerful.
Yeah. Can you make it all the way over there?
Yeah.
Okay.
Let's go for it.
Okay, count the numbers.
1, 2, 3, go! Come on, lights, let's go! Okay, mommy's too fat for this. Okay.
This thing's fast with a Jeep.
Ah, it's coming our way! Ah! Off-roading. Whoa! It lifted up off the ground.
Now he's the chicken! Thanks for hanging out with Cairo. Bye.
Oh, so random, so random. Oh.